Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithlike.com, and here I am showing you the first class that I'll have available in 2019. As you can see, this card class is featuring the incredible Like You stamp set, which is a brand new out of the Occasions catalog. What I love about this stamp set is the flowers have that watercolor look that I love, and also there's some elements that will help you do some really cool backgrounds, so I think it's amazing. And then also the sentiments are big, are bold. They have the coordinating fonts, which I think it's amazing because they go really well with anything. So with Valentine's around the corner, I think it will be great if you send all your friends a card to let them know how much you appreciate them. And this set will help you do that. So as usual, we're going to have our 4 options. So the option 1 is the one that includes everything. So it will include your stamp set. Now this stamp set is photopolymer, and so it's usually best if you stamp with your pierce mat. So this option will also include the pierce mat. It also includes the lovely lipstick ribbon, so you can see it here. And it also includes the All My Love, a half of a pack of All My Love design series paper. So you will get a 6x12. It's 6x12 of each of these design series paper. But you can see it's really nice, and you'll use it to complete all your projects. But I love the different sheets or designs from this pack. So everything looks amazing out of this one. So you'll get half of that. So that option 1, which is the one that again includes the DSP, the stamp, the pierce mat, and the ribbon, as well as the make and take and the PDF with all the video tutorials. That option is $59, and there is an $8 shipping fee. And option 2 is the one that do not include the stamp set. So some of you might already have this stamp set, believe it or not. And so it only includes the pierce mat, the ribbon, and the design series paper, as well as the make and take to make all 6 cards with the PDF and the video tutorials. And that option 2, is $45 and $8 shipping fee. Now option 1 and 2 have a shipping fee, like I said, but if you're local to me and decide that you want to pick up at my house, and I am in Frisco, Texas, we can waive the $8 fee. Now the option 3 is for those of you who already have all the tools and you can do all your cutting and pretty much you have everything to make the projects, but we want to get it by the video tutorials. So that option is $20. And the option 3 is for my team, where they can get the make and take packets at a discount, and this is $15. And they'll get all the make and take things except the tools or the paper. Well, not the paper, but the all the different elements that I give, because they can use their discount. When you are a demonstrator, you get at least 20% discount, and so they can choose to use their discount to get all these things. But they get the make and take packet at a discount with $15. Now this class has a deadline of January 16 to sign up, and I'll be shipping around the 26th. So make sure you click on the link below this video where you can get more information about this class. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate contacting me. I'm more than welcome to clarify anything. So thank you so much, and I'm sure you're gonna love this class, and so I hope to see you in this class. Thank you. Have a good day.